What I've also realised is that sort of leaders create that culture within an organisation, and we know that culture then delivers that business performance. So if you don't have your leaders on board with what you're trying to do, you're not going to get anywhere very fast. Hi, my name's Phil White from United Utilities. United Utilities are a water and wastewater company in the northwest of England. I'm here at the IMC 2022 because we won the Best Leadership for Reliability award at the Uptime Awards. Everybody's on a reliability journey. And we all start at different points. I think for us at United Utilities, we did a really comprehensive review of everything that we did from a maintenance perspective, and we decided that we wanted to transform and change and deliver maintenance excellence. It's quite a bold statement and a difficult thing to do. And what we've done is we've slowly progressed with quite a large and ambitious, complex plan of activities that are going to drive that transformational change within the organisation. And I think what we've seen, we've had some good results, some slow results, some times when it's been difficult and we've taken steps backwards. But I think always we're sort of guided to where we want to get to. We saw a lot of our metrics start to change. We saw the mood, the culture start to change. The language has definitely changed within the organisation. And there's lots of people now talking about maintenance that weren't previously. And that's when we knew that we were on to something really good. And I think it's also the stage where we thought, you know what? It's the right time for us to submit a submission really for this excellent award. The award means a great deal to us at United Utilities and for the organisation. It's great to see that external verification of the work that we're doing. To win leadership, I think it's sort of the cornerstone of a sort of maintenance excellence programme, and to sort of change the organisation and start transformation starts with leadership. It's tough, it's really difficult to do. So to get that, as I say, external verification that we're on the right track, that we've done something really well, will mean a lot, certainly to me, but also to the huge team that's working on our maintenance excellence improvement plan back in the UK.